This is Xi'an, northwest China's Shehrshi province. On the lawn behind me are 6 trees newly planted Friday morning, and they are the trees of friendship planted by the 6 leaders attending the China Central Asia Summit, which wraps up the same day. At the end of the summit, the 6 countries jointly signed the Xi'an Declaration of the China Central Asia Summit, adopted a list of summit outcomes, and charted a blueprint for the future development of China-Central Asia relations. The 6 countries are determined to work together to rise to challenges and foster a closer China-Central Asia community with a shared future. The 6 countries will deepen their people-to-people exchanges across the board by actively cooperating on sports, archaeology, tourism, medical, and healthcare, and other areas. The leaders also announced a decision to officially inaugurate the China Central Asia Summit mechanism. The 2 sides, China and Central Asian countries, will take turns to host the biennial summit. The new plants are pomegranate trees bearing the meaning of unity and concerted efforts, and they have witnessed the outcome of the just concluded summit today. And as they grow and bear fruits, they are expected to see the friendship and cooperation of the 6 countries to be much closer and fruitful in a brighter tomorrow.